Hello, my strong princesses and queens. Welcome back to our 30-day power push-up challenge, day 13. I hope you're feeling stronger already. Today, we're going to be doing a wall bicep push-up. Yep, we're going to be targeting the biceps. And we have a powerful word today that is going to help us get stronger. And that word is self-accepting. I confidently accept myself for who I am without seeking approval from others. Can we say it together? I confidently accept myself for who I am without seeking the approval from others. Here are your guidelines. Find a space, a wall where you can do your push-ups. Get a mat, blanket, or towel, whatever you have available is fine. If you need support, go ahead and grab your wrist gloves. If you don't have any, I'm linking it down below if you want to buy some and get the support that you need. I will not be using my wrist gloves today because I find the wall push-ups to be much easier on my wrists. Go ahead and grab something or drink, even if you don't get thirsty. Take at least a few sips here and there to stay hydrated. And of course, subscribe, ring the bell so you'll be notified of our next routine.
We are going to get the technique right from the very beginning. We're gonna position ourselves facing the wall with our hands shoulder width apart and slightly lower than our shoulders. Instead of placing your hands flat on the wall, turn them inward so your fingers are pointing towards each other. This will activate your biceps more than regular wall push-ups. We're going to lower ourselves towards the wall by bending our elbows. Remember to keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. Now, if you want to increase the difficulty, step farther away from the wall or use an inclined surface like a bench or step to perform the exercise. Okay, let's get ready. Let's get set. Rock and roll, baby. Let's do it. Alright, let's take a breather. I am releasing tension from my neck. I tend to do that. Accumulate tension in that particular area. I know many of you have some tension there. Alright, let's go on to our second one. After we release the tension, we're ready to go. Let's get set. And again, it's up to you how far you want to go. You can sit a little closer to the wall. No pressure here, okay? Test your limits and go for what you're able to do cautiously. It's about improvement here. Are we ready? All set up? Let's go!
Hey.
Way to go, everybody. I'm so proud of you. Remember tomorrow you will add one more set for a total of 3 sets. And after tomorrow, day 15, you will add an extra set totaling 4 sets. And I'll see you in day 16 when we'll be chiseling up another part of our body. Let's say our powerful word one more time. Self-accepting. I confidently accept myself for who I am without seeking approval from others. Can we say it together one last time? I confidently accept myself for who I am without seeking the approval from others. See you in day 16. Keep up the good work, and remember, I love you and believe so much in you.
I'm from the dirty
Adios.
to where you cannot cross. I shot the bitch up in you when you walked across. I pushed the